today for the Bitcoin price. And what the heck did just happen to Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin? I can tell you what happened. Elon Musk happened to them. Let me talk about that crazy breaking news. We're just breaking literally a few minutes ago, and I was about to go to bed. I just made a video like 1.5 hours ago. Usually I give it like 8 or 12 hours of time for the next video, but like this news which we're breaking, I will go into the charts of course as well, but honestly guys, this is what Elon Musk was tweeting. Tesla and Bitcoin just like 1 hour ago, right? And now listen closely guys, I will go into the charts of course. I want to talk about what this means for Bitcoin, but especially for the altcoin markets. And this was, I didn't see that coming, and no one of you, like no one ever saw this tweet coming. Like listen to this guys. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. And furthermore, they are saying cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has promising future, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are, and this is the turning point, guys. This is where the simulation theory gets really real, and the absurdity and the irony gets to a like whole new level. We are looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of energy, Bitcoin's energy transaction ratio. And this, ladies and gentlemen, bought the next Bitcoin candle to be as big as the Burj Khalifa, but it was red. And this is something like where I really don't get it anymore. I will go into the charts, but I wanted to talk about that. So more than 70% of the energy mining Bitcoin is from renewable energy. I think what he's referring, or what Tesla is referring to, is the growth of this remaining 30%. So the growth of non-renewable energy, which is growing towards the renewable energy mining Bitcoin. Did in fact that check that, but if a publicly listed company is claiming that, probably it's true. But why didn't they check that beforehand if the whole life purpose of Elon Musk is of course not only making human mankind a multiplanetary species, but also increasing the environmental issues around the world, right? Anyway, so what he was saying then is, they are going to use cryptocurrencies with less than 1%. And this is where it gets interesting, guys. I want to talk, of course, about the price, but stick with me, guys. So here, we are on the Elon Musk profile, right? Let me go over to the Elon Musk profile. And if I'm going down, this is the tweet I just read to you. The last tweet he made was, do you want Tesla to accept Dogecoin? 24 hours pretty much exactly before he made that. 78%, 4 million people voted in total, 78% voting yes. So one day after this poll about Dogecoin, and like I'm not a Dogecoin shiller, right? But he's saying we are looking into other cryptocurrencies which are using less than 1% of the... Like this is something I don't really understand yet, but let's wait and see what happens there. Of course, if the price of Dogecoin increases, the hash rate will increase, and in the end of the day, it will be probably a very similar carbon emission, but this is not on me to determine. Let's go into the charts and see what happened here. So, smash up the like button if you like this a little bit different episode here. It's like really for entertainment purposes, because, well, faith loves irony. That's what Elon Musk is saying, right? And like this is a situation where I can only laugh at it. But anyways, so Bitcoin was breaking down, then breaking out as predicted, hitting our price target as predicted, and also getting a rejection. However, what I didn't predict, and I want to be honest here, is Bitcoin going below the VPVR level of the previous, basically of the previous few days here, right? Bitcoin broke down, and this was, of course, because this crazy tweet of Elon Musk. So what can we look out here? Can we look out for furthermore Bitcoin decline? I want to say this is very possible, guys. This is actually possible. We have to see. So first of all, we are taking it from this high here to the low, and then we can see so far Bitcoin is supported by the Fibonacci golden pocket. So this is good. If we are seeing a bounce here, fine. But like, we have so many people who joined Bitcoin after 30,000 because of Elon Musk. Now he's basically saying, oh, geez, 1 second. Now he's basically saying they're not accepting Bitcoin as a payment method anymore. Of course, this is a little bit, just a second. Oh, fat fingers. So, of course, this is a little bit saddening and disappointing also to me, to be honest. So, anyways, so if we are going down, if Bitcoin actually goes below the Fibonacci golden pocket, I'm very certain we are going to retest the previous low at 47,000, which is actually a bearish price target I mentioned in the last video. And we are breaking down right now, and we have this Elon Musk support. One asset which does not freaking care about Elon Musk right now is Ethereum. Ethereum doesn't care about that. And maybe it's because the market understands, or the market interprets that, well, one of these currencies could be Ethereum after proof of stake, right? And yeah, well, if this would be true, of course, this would be bullish news for Ethereum. Ethereum is testing right now the resistance here. And if we are actually closing a 4-hourly candle outside, I think we are going for another retest here at the $3,760 level, the previous resistance, which was already turning into support here. And well, this is not it yet. This is not it yet. Let's have a look quickly at Dogecoin, of course, because, well, Elon Musk was just posting this crazy stuff. Dogecoin not going bullish yet. Basically consolidating here. Let's see if we can draw maybe a trend, but not really, nothing long term. But we have approximately a descending resistance. You see already I'm a little bit tired, but honestly, guys, this was crazy news. We have here, of course, a pattern unfolding. This is the 4-hourly candle. So I would say within the next day, within the next 6 4-hourly candles, within the next 24 hours, this pattern has to break out on Dogecoin. And like, honestly, I would never talk about Dogecoin, but I expect some crazy volatility coming up if the market just interprets the tweet as Dogecoin. Look at its last tweet, well, then of course some volatility could be coming up. And if Dogecoin would be breaking towards the upside, we are looking at the famous close to 69 cents level, of course, once again. And if it were to break down, we are breaking a key support, of course, if it were to break down to 25,000. Honestly, guys, I'm not extremely bearish on Dogecoin right now. Let me say it like this. Like, the world is too absurd and ironic right now. Like, just 2 days ago, we had Mark Zuckerberg posting about Bitcoin, the greatest of all time. And now we have Elon Musk saying it's not friendly for the environment. So the absurdity is actually at another level. And I just want to step back and look at the market and see what they are telling us. And of course, I did something, I gave you some price targets, but besides that, let's see what happens. By the way, guys, my big long position, it actually got stopped out in a loss. Wanna be transparent about that? Didn't see that tweet coming. I don't think anyone saw it coming. Anyways, guys, I'm here to share that with you as well, of course. Make sure you smash up the like button. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. And we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys. As always. Bye-bye. Elon.